This is one of my favorite Thai dishes. It's savory, full of umami, and just so fragrant with the Thai basil. Very minimal ingredients, so very little prep work, and it just tastes so amazing. So let's get started. I use pork shoulder for the minced pork. It has a bit more fats compared to the pork loin, pork tenderloin. So after cooking, the meat is going to be more tender, juicy, and more fragrant. This is Thai basil. It's going to add a lot of aroma to the dish. We're only going to use the leaves. Just a simple trick. You can easily run your fingers along the stem and the leaves will come off quite easily. Okay, that's done. I'm also going to add some bird's eye chili. I'm not adding much because I don't want it to be too spicy. The kids don't like it too spicy. For this recipe, you need loads of garlic. So now let's roughly chop the garlic. I have quite a bit of garlic here because I'm cooking quite a big portion. Set aside. Okay, once all the ingredients are prepared, let's cook the minced pork. Once the wok is hot, add some oil. And when the oil is hot, add the garlic. Once it's fragrant, you can start adding the pork. Mix the minced pork with the garlic so that the garlic doesn't burn. I'm gonna add some salt at the beginning to draw out the flavor.
Continue tossing over high heat.
Okay, once it's about 70–80% cooked, you can start adding the sauces. Light soy sauce, sugar, brown sugar, some fish sauce, dark soy sauce, I'm also going to add some bean paste. You can use bean paste or you can use oyster sauce. Basil leaves go in and the chili padi. And now toss everything together. Wow, smells so good.
Keep cooking until all the water has evaporated. Once you hear that sizzling sound, toss a few more times to bring out the fragrance.
Okay, it's done. Can't wait to try this. This is so good. The flavors are well balanced, slightly spicy, and that fragrance from the Thai basil is just so delicious. For more exclusive recipes, do check out the link in the description box below. See you next time.